Guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to watch how to apply a tourist visa to Uruguay. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. Guys, like when it comes to apply for a tourist visa, the very first thing you need to check if you really need a visa. And if you need a visa, then you need to look for the process at the embassy, consulate, whichever mission is responsible for the region where you are living in. Because based on the region where you are living in, there could be some additional steps, additional requirements, or some different process too. So you need to check accordingly. For example, if you are an Indian citizen living in India, then here is what you see. Like I have opened Embassy of Uruguay site in New Delhi. So they have information about visa services under consular services. So they have written that there is no fee for Indian citizens. For students of Nepal, Maldives, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Bhutan, the fee is US 42. Okay. All right. So now they have a visa form that we'll see. Now, for tourism, they have given the requirements. People who wish to enter country on temporary basis with a mode of pleasure leisure may apply for tourism visa validity of 90 days with multiple entry. Complete visa form. A passport is two passport is a form. Uh, a recent passport size photo. Valid passport in good condition with at least 6 months of validity expiry at the time of leaving Uruguayan territory. So make sure you have the sufficient validity. Photocopy of passport, reservation of hotel or other proof of accommodation, proof of income, okay, travel tickets, round ticket, medical certificate. So very basic requirements. So now we are gonna see the form. Okay. So all right. So like you need to go there, okay, to apply. All right. They have given the information, address, and other information, submission schedule, collection. Okay. You can contact them in advance if you want to get an information. Okay. And then you can apply over there. All right. So now it's time to go for the visa form. We'll check that. So stay tuned. All right, so this is the form C and it clearly says New Delhi. That's why I say like when you apply, check the requirements as per your location. So it asks for your name, surname. It's in not in English primarily, but it is in English too in the bracket. So you should not have any problem. Nationality, date of place and birth, and make sure these piece of information match with your passport so that you don't struggle later on. Marital status, occupation, residential address, passport details, purpose of travel. So if you're going for tourism, you're going to select this. Date of travel, period of stay, reference in Uruguay, reference in India, address in India, phone number, place of residence in Uruguay where you're going to stay, like hotel and all, wherever you are. Two tickets to a form. Okay. Personal email address, Skype ID of applicant means they can call you for an interview too. So that is how it goes through, guys. So we have gone through all the aspects. It's very simple to apply. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.